Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over to you guys on the market. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue, what exactly is going to give us that momentum to the upside that we need in the market to continue on up. But if we do continue on down, what exact levels will we be looking to see if we can bounce off of? And again, if you are looking for these intraday perspective breakouts that we have throughout the day, I know the market has been very choppy. It almost looks like the market is impossible to be trading in. But if you are looking for that secret spot where most breakouts have been, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss breakout alert today again. Now, jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, as you guys can see, we had a major spike. We broke continued highs from yesterday's highs that we did have because there were some reports this morning of Putin possibly being more open to talking, and that did give us a nice spike in pre-market. We were looking to see if we can continue on with that news, but again, we were leading into Biden in the morning, and Biden did answer one question after his meeting, and that was, if Putin used chemical attacks, what exactly would be your response? And Biden's response was that Russia would face a severe price if they use chemical weapons. So that did give us downward pressure to the pressure that we did have to the upside in pre-market. So again, we did continue on down, and we ended with the strong red doji candle here, looking to see if we are going to have that large indecisiveness to the upside or to the downside here. We do have two levels that I'm going to go over with you guys here. So as you guys can see, we continue to get rejected at our 427 level. Again, last week we continued to get rejected just below our 20, and that did show us that strong move to the downside because we could not jump back over our 20. So we are looking for the same thing last week as we are this week, looking to see if we can get this indecisive candle to the upside to jump back over our 20 to possibly respect it and continue on up. And of course, that would be predicated on exactly what advancements we get from Russia and Ukraine over the weekend. Again, I will be going over on Sunday Night Countdown any developments that we have been getting with Russia and Ukraine and exactly how I plan on playing to the market. Again, getting these multiple doji candles here does show us that we're going to have a strong squeeze either to the upside or the downside. And what I mean by squeeze is not a major AMC squeeze. What I mean is that we are going to have a major move to the upside and probably jump back over our 20, or we're going to continue to get rejected at our 20 and continue on down below our 410 level, which is when Russia did attack Ukraine initially here at 410. So again, we have our 410 to the downside, or we do have that 427 level that we are trying to respect. And then we have 435 and 447.50 level that we want to make sure we can continue on past. Again, if we're looking for that stronger move up here, we still do have our 447.50 level that we do need to make sure we can jump back over. That was our double top intraday pullback that we had here that we do want to make sure we can jump back over if we're going to get that continuation on momentum here. But again, one day at a time here, we do want to see if we can jump back over our 20 to see if we can start respecting it. And again, that would be predicated on two things. That's if Putin does continue to escalate and to see exactly how the market reacts into our first rate hike next week. So we have those two things to be thinking about next week, and we're going to see exactly how the market reacts. Even if the market does continue on down, just as we have been in the Instables room, staying strong, watching these levels, and even on red days that we've had in the market, we still have our breakouts in the Instables room. And like I said, intraday will always be there. Swing plays and long plays may be very choppy, but again, like I said, intraday will always be there. Again, if you are looking for these intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month. You guys will never miss breakout alert today again. And all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. I will be going over MULN tomorrow and then Sunday Night Countdown, where I'm going to go over exactly how I plan on playing to the market and exactly what news has developed over the weekend, so we know where the market may be heading. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.